Number 1. Go off-grid with solar power. Transitioning to solar energy is an investment that pays off immensely over time. Start by researching the best solar panel options for your area and budget. Once installed, solar panels convert sunlight into electricity, significantly reducing your reliance on the grid. Over the years, the savings on your electricity bill can be substantial, and in some cases, you might even generate surplus power that can be sold back to the utility company, creating an additional income stream. Also, consider pairing your solar panels with battery storage systems to store excess energy for use during cloudy days or nighttime, ensuring a constant supply of electricity. Number 2. Make your own hygiene products. Commercial hygiene products are often expensive and filled with chemicals. Instead, create your own products using natural, cost-effective ingredients. For example, a simple toothpaste can be made with baking soda and coconut oil. Deodorants can be concocted with arrowroot powder, baking soda, and essential oils. Shampoo can be made using Castile soap and water, with added essential oils for fragrance. These homemade products not only save money but also reduce your exposure to potentially harmful substances. Number 3. Dumpster dive for free food. While unconventional, dumpster diving can yield perfectly edible and safe food. Focus on clean, well-maintained dumpsters from grocery stores, bakeries, and restaurants that discard food due to cosmetic imperfections or nearing expiration date. Always follow safety guidelines. Check local laws, dive with a buddy, and sort through items promptly. Wash all produce thoroughly and avoid any food that appears spoiled. With careful selection, you can find fresh fruits, vegetables, and packaged goods, significantly cutting down your grocery expenses. Number 4. Use a composting toilet. Composting toilets are a sustainable alternative to traditional flush toilets, saving water and reducing sewage costs. They work by separating solid and liquid waste, which then breaks down into compost. This compost can be used to enrich your garden soil, closing the nutrient loop. Modern composting toilets are odor-free and easy to maintain. Installation might require an initial investment, but the long-term savings on water bills and environmental benefits make it worthwhile. Number 5. Live in a tiny house. Downsizing to a tiny house can drastically cut your living expenses. These compact homes are more affordable to build, heat, cool, and maintain. They encourage a minimalist lifestyle, reducing unnecessary purchases and clutter. Many tiny house owners report lower utility bills, smaller mortgage payments, and reduced maintenance costs. Additionally, tiny houses can often be built on wheels, offering the flexibility to move and adapt to different living conditions and opportunities. Number 6. Practice urban foraging. Urban foraging involves identifying and harvesting edible plants and fruits growing in urban environments. Start by learning about local, edible plants and their season. Join foraging groups or take guided walks to gain practical knowledge. Common urban edibles include dandelions, wild garlic, and fruit from public trees. Always forage sustainably and be mindful of local regulation. This practice not only saves money on groceries, but also connects you with nature and promotes a healthier diet. Number 7. Implement a bartering system. Bartering is an age-old practice where goods and services are exchanged without money. Create a community network where you can trade skills and items. For instance, offer to babysit in exchange for car repairs or trade homemade goods for gardening help. Online platforms and local swap meets can facilitate these exchanges. Bartering fosters community spirit and resourcefulness, allowing you to acquire what you need without spending money. Number 8. Harvest rainwater. Installing a rainwater collection system can significantly reduce your water bill. Collect rainwater from your roof into barrels or tanks and use it for non-potable purposes such as watering plants, washing correlates, and flushing toilets. Ensure your system includes filters to remove debris and contaminants. In many areas, rainwater harvesting is encouraged and can provide a reliable source of water, especially during dry season. Number 9. Use cloth everything. Transitioning to reusable cloth items can lead to significant savings and environmental benefits. Cloth diapers, for instance, are cheaper in the long run, compared to disposables and reduce landfill waste. Cloth napkins, paper towels, and sanitary products can also be used repeatedly, cutting down on regular purchases. Invest in high-quality, durable cloth items and establish a washing routine to keep them clean and hygienic. Number 10. Live off the land. Achieving self-sufficiency by living off the land can dramatically lower your living costs. Start by growing your own fruits and vegetables, raising chickens for eggs, and perhaps keeping bees for honey. Learn to preserve food through canning, drying, and fermenting to store surplus produce. Invest in livestock for meat, milk, and fiber, if space allows. This lifestyle requires dedication and hard work, but offers significant rewards in terms of financial savings, food security, and a healthier, more sustainable way of living. Number 11. Become a freegan. Freeganism is a lifestyle that seeks to minimize waste and limit consumerism. Freegans often reclaim discarded food and goods, participate in sharing communities, and prioritize free resources. This can include attending free events, utilizing public libraries, and using sharing or exchange platforms. By focusing on what is freely available, freegans reduce their environmental impact and save money. Number 12. Homemade everything. Extend the DIY ethos to as many aspects of your life as possible. Learn to bake bread, make yogurt, craft cleaning supplies, and even build furniture. These activities not only save money, but also allow for customization to your preferences and needs. Invest in basic equipment and materials, and take advantage of online tutorials and local workshops to build your skills. Number 13. Cancel all paid entertainment. Eliminate all forms of paid entertainment and explore free alternatives. Cancel cable and streaming subscriptions in favor of free online content, local libraries, and community events. Instead of a gym membership, explore outdoor activities like hiking, biking, and using public parks. Attend free workshops, concerts, and festivals to enrich your cultural experiences without spending money. Number 14. Extreme couponing. Extreme couponing involves meticulous planning to combine store sales, manufacturer coupons, and store coupons to maximize savings. Dedicate time to organizing and planning your shopping trips, matching coupons with sale items to get products for free or at deeply discounted prices. Join couponing communities both online and locally to share tips and swap coupons. Number 15. Harvest firewood. If you live in a region where wood heating is practical, harvest your own firewood to reduce heating costs. Obtain a permit if required and gather wood from fallen trees, dead wood, or designated cutting area. Split and season the wood properly to ensure it burns efficiently. This method provides a renewable heating source and reduces reliance on electric or gas heating. Number 16. DIY home repairs. Learn advanced EDI/UI skills for home maintenance and repairs. This includes plumbing, electrical work, and carpentry. Start with small projects and gradually take on more complex tasks as your confidence and skills grow. Use online resources, instructional videos, and local workshops to enhance your abilities. EDI/UI repairs can save thousands of dollars over time and empower you to handle emergencies independently. Number 17. Make your own clothes. Sewing your own clothes can be a highly cost-effective and rewarding skill. Invest in a good sewing machine and learn basic techniques. Start with simple projects like altering existing clothes or making basic garments. Gradually progress to more complex items like coats and tailored outfits. Sewing allows for customization, quality control, and substantial savings compared to buying new clothes. Number 18. Utilize free campsites. When traveling, seek out free camping sites instead of paying for hotels or campgrounds. Public lands, national forests, and Bureau of Land Management areas often offer free or low-cost camping options. Use apps and websites dedicated to finding free campsites and read reviews to ensure they meet your needs. This approach significantly reduces travel costs and provides a closer connection to nature. Number 19. Generate your own heat. Build or install alternative heating systems like passive solar heaters, rocket stoves, or masonry heaters. These systems can be highly efficient and use renewable resources. Passive solar heaters capture and store the sun's energy, while rocket stoves and masonry heaters burn wood more efficiently. Implementing these methods can drastically reduce or eliminate your heating bills Number 20. Engage in extreme recycling. Adopt a zero-waste mindset by finding creative ways to reuse and recycle everything. Use food scraps to make stocks, soups, or compost. Repurpose old furniture into new items, like turning an old dresser into a kitchen island. Upcycle waste materials into craft projects or practical household items. This extreme recycling approach reduces waste, saves money, and sparks creativity. Number 20. 1. Move to a low-cost area. Consider relocating to an area with a lower cost of living. Research regions with affordable housing, lower taxes, and cheaper goods and services. Moving can significantly reduce your living expenses, allowing you to save more and live a more comfortable life on a smaller budget. Weigh the pros and cons, such as job opportunities and quality of life, before making a decision.